The Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 government has announced the immediate commencement of the pedestrianization of Khandailat Shillong, one of the city's busiest commercial zones, following the successful relocation of street vendors. The decision was conveyed today by Government spokesperson and Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh after a meeting held with Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Nyob Halang Dhar. Paul Lyngdoh informed that vehicular movement in the area will now be restricted daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. with exceptions made only for residents with passes and in case of emergencies. He stated that the move aims to improve pedestrian safety and accessibility in the heart of the city.
That apart, the state government has also decided to go ahead with the planned pedestrianization of Khandailat. In this regard, we have tasked the municipal board with the responsibility of collecting details of residents of that particular stretch so that we will be in a position to issue them passes for their cars. And that will be only for residents of that area. It will not be for residents, say, who are from outside of Khandailat but having business enterprise in that area. Again, more importantly, we have also decided that the pedestrianization will be carried out immediately, and the timing will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., where there will be no movement of vehicles at all, except where passes will be issued. And these passes will be mainly to facilitate dropping of school kids during school days. However, on holidays, there will be absolutely no movement of vehicles in the pedestrianized area except on emergency basis. And say unforeseen incidents like fire incidents and of incidents of that nature, medical emergencies. So again, I repeat that the timing of the pedestrianized zone will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day, where there will be no movement of vehicles from the stretch that leads to the entrance of Khandailat up to Umsoksun, up to the access to Umsoksun.
The minister further shared that the Meghalaya High Court had recently expressed satisfaction over the state government's efficient and professional handling of vendor relocation exercise. Unlike other parts of the country, he noted the vendors in Shillong have been provided not only space but also essential infrastructure, including proper lighting. As part of the continued support for the relocated vendors, the government will distribute financial assistance of Rs 10,000 to each beneficiary. Both Paul Lyngdoh and the Deputy Chief Minister are scheduled to personally hand over the checks on the 5th of August 2025.
That the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has expressed its total satisfaction over the manner in which the state government has gone ahead in relocating vendors in a manner that is done very professionally with and making sure that there is now sufficient space for all road users and especially pedestrians to move in and around the city's busiest commercial area. So this morning, I also had a discussion with our Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Nyob Halang Dhar, and officers of the Shillong Municipal Board, led by its CEO, Mr. Boro. So I would like to now spell out a plan of action. One is this should come to your attention that elsewhere in the country, wherever hawkers have been relocated, they have only been given a space. However, in the case of the relocation here in Shillong, which was carried out recently, we have also provided them with amenities like proper lighting. We are also we have sanctioned work which will start immediately for 15 washrooms close to this will be on the basement of the Mudra complex, and also drinking water facilities.